Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to record Google Meet video call on laptop and PC. When using the built-in recording feature, you can only record Google Meet calls on a computer. If you're using a mobile device, the recording feature will be unavailable even if your workspace allows it. However, we'll show you different workarounds for recording a Google Meet call on a mobile device later in this video. Ensure your workspace administrator turns on recording for your account. Then follow the steps to record a Google Meet on your computer. There are different ways to record a Google Meet meeting on a Windows or Mac computer. You can use the Google Meet app or a built-in or third-party screen recording tool. Here's how to record Google Meet videos on a computer. Go to Google Meet in a web browser on your computer and select Start a Meeting. Then, select Allow Microphone and Camera to enable audio and video or select Continue without microphone and camera to join without enabling audio and video. Select Add Others to invite other participants to the meeting or copy and share the joining information with them. Select the blue activities icon if visible, or select More ellipses to access additional meeting controls. Depending on your workspace settings, you'll see the Record Meeting or Manage Recording option. If you see Manage Recording, select it. Then select the blue activities icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, select Recording. Click Start Recording to record the meeting. A pop-up will appear reminding you to obtain consent from all participants before recording. If you've already done that, select Start to Record. Participants outside your organizations, mobile app users, and people who dial in using a phone will be notified when you start or stop the recording. When the recording starts, you'll see a red recording icon on the upper left corner of your screen. When you're done with the meeting, select the Stop Recording button at the top left corner or bottom right side of your screen. The recording will end immediately. You'll get notified that your recording will be saved to the meeting organizer's Meet Recordings folder in My Drive. This will be followed by an email with the recording link to access the recording files. Now, to record Google Meet on Android, you can record a Google Meet on an Android device, but you can use your phone's native screen recording tool to record the meeting, even if you don't meet Google's recording requirements. Download the Google Meet app on your phone. Swipe down from the top of your phone screen to access the quick menu settings on your Android, and swipe down to access the control center. Tap the green screen recording. Then, select Media and Microphone on your Android phone to screen record with audio. Tap Start Recording on your Android phone. And when the meeting ends, tap Stop on your Android phone to stop recording. You can access your video recordings from your Android phone's gallery or Photos app on your Android. Then, edit or share with others. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.